I will tell you how to make an easy intro animation in Canva. Let's dive into Canva tips and tricks. First of all, go to the Elements section and type Dubai. Then choose this picture and adjust it as the background. After that, go to the Elements section again and type hands. Then choose this image, adjust it, and duplicate it as needed. Write the country name, change its color and font, and then add the lift effect to the text. Bingo! Like that. After that, choose a square shape from the Elements section and adjust it over the hands like this. Then, right-click on the hand, go to Layer, and click on Bring to Front. Do the same for the other hand as well, exactly like that. Change color of square shape and decrease its transparency. After that, group all of them and move them to the left side like this, and next, duplicate the video like that. Then, go to Text, write Welcome to, change its font and color, and give the text a lift effect, exactly like that. Now go to the duplicated video and move the hand to the left side like that. And add animation in our text as well, with your own desire. Then go to the transition, choose Match, and move the transition exactly like that. Once this is done, click the share button and download it as an MP4 video. Here is our final design. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.